Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use voice to trigger recognize music in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to next page. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on shortcuts. Now here click on plus icon. Now here search recognize. You will see recognize music. Now here button turn on. After the process, go back and go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now here click on accessibility. Scroll down, click on whistle shortcuts. Now here click on add action, continue. Recognize music. So type recognize. Music. So click on this icon, say recognize music, recognize music, recognize music. Click on continue, go back, check, test, recognize music. Recognize music. You will see recognize music is continue turn on. So that's how you can use voice to trigger recognize music in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.